Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HEJ.tax. We're the team that seeks to demystify the sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and the privilege of a conversation with Mr. Nani Suarez. So, can you introduce yourself to those who don't already know who you are?
Thank you, Darren. It's a pleasure to be here with you. I'm Hernani Soares, a lawyer with residence in Cape Verde. I have around 20 years of experience here in these great islands. I am the former president of the Cape Verdean Bar Association, and my practice is tax, corporates, and telecommunication. And in Cabo Verde, we don't have golden visa, we have the green card. Just, and the person who wants to have lower taxes, he can came to Cape Verde. And the overview that I said, Cape Verde, we have a good weather, good climate, and have some islands that you have a quiet life. Then you can enjoy for the pensionists, for example. And to have green card, the investment is lower. If you invest in an apartment or a house around 100,000 euro, you can have the green card. And so for any child, you have this 10%. It's really, really good.